Hey everyone, welcome to Ask Nutritionist Deepa. I have a loaded question to answer today. It came directly from my former patient. She writes, "Hi Deepa, I have been missing the classes that inspired me on my weight loss journey. My question is, how do you keep the weight off during these times of so much going on in the world? I have gained so much weight, probably more than when I first came to your office in 2018. Depression has set me back a lot and lack of motivation. What can I do?" I told you it's a loaded question. First and foremost, my friend, acknowledge that what you are saying is lack of that you are lacking motivation is not true. You are very motivated because you took time to think about what you need to change. You took time to acknowledge that you need to change and took an action step to reach out to me by writing such such elaborate question elaborating on your situation. That requires motivation. So first and foremost, take that thought out of your brain and throw it in the garbage can that you are not motivated, because you, like I'm saying, you are motivated. You showed the most important characteristic of a motivated person, which is taking action, identifying the problem and taking action, identifying the problem and taking action. That's how we make change. Okay. Secondly, easy peasy. You have been through the weight loss, correct? My weight loss classes, which means that you have had or you have some tools, either the meal plan, the recipes, my writings or sayings or video or what have you. That those tools are sitting somewhere in your house. Some of them are in your brain and in your heart. That's why you remember me to get hold of me. So look for that toolbox, correct? Number three, write down what you want to change. It could be fast food, it could be a lack of water, it could be activity. Write down what are some of the things you need to change and find the toolbox from the tools that we have used in the past to get this going, correct? As simple as that. You are one step ahead. You know you have seen the success. Okay, you know how it feels. You even know how to get there. You just had a detour, or I would say a setback, and but now you are back on your feet and you are ready to move forward. So I urge you, again, I urge you to write down what your problems are. Lack of meal planning, hydration, what you drink, what you eat, activity. I don't remember now what else can it be, but it could be sugar. Oh goodness, yes, it could be sugar. Write down what those problems are and dig into your toolbox that was given to you, or that we put together when we were on the weight loss journey together, right? And start using those tools and start writing things down and focus on one goal at a time. One goal, one action. That's how you are going to win this battle again. I know you can do it. Like I said, you are motivated, and you have to take a next step by acknowledging that by saying that, yes, I am motivated, I want to change, I'm going to change, and I'm going to get going. So that's my 2 cents today about answering this question as to when you have seen the success and you have had setback and want to get back again. Remember that don't get stuck in that, oh, I would have, could have, should have. Okay, that's the worst thing you can do for yourself, is to look back or just keeps looking back. Okay, then you bump into then you have another accident, you bump into something else if you keep looking back at, oh, what you could have done, what you should have done, and what would have happened. So none of that negative thinking. Moving forward, acknowledge that you are motivated, acknowledge that you have toolbox lying in your house. You just need to dust it off and start using the tools to get your health back. On that note, this short and sweet episode is over. if you guys have any questions, please keep them coming. Like I said, I enjoy them. I first of all, when I get the question, I get super excited that some of you whom I haven't seen for years are still doing okay, and there's a connection that you form with your patients. So it's always good to hear back from each and every one of you, and helping you guys get back on your health journey or continue to support on your health journey. I hope you all are doing well, and I will talk to you next week, and take care.